Are you building a brand on Amazon? Are you also tired of waiting for 2 months for Amazon experiments to end just so you can learn that your new image stack is 51% better than your old one? I know, I've been there. Now, you need this. Let me show you this super cool test where you don't need to wait that long and you can get a really good idea of what's going to work better for you, okay? So what I want to show you is the image stack test on ProductPinion that allows you to cut through the wait, okay? So Pinion polls, a new test, stacked image test, right? This is the selection. Again, this page is just for your internal use. So just put the reference that you'll be able to find this test by, okay? So first of all, let's make sure that the question makes sense. You have to look at all the images in each set. Which set do you prefer? Please give more specific reasons why. Yeah, this is good enough in my opinion. So what we can do here is upload manually or grab from ASINs. In this specific case, we're looking at this product. And I'm just wondering if the new images will actually convert better. Yeah, so what we're going to do is just use this ASIN, grab from ASIN, paste it here, boom. Let's wait a few seconds. We're going to upload all of the images from the existing listing. Ready. Okay, now we can just hit import. We want all 7 of these. Okay. And now the next step is adding new stack. So essentially the new stack is the manual selection of new images we've created. All right, we got all of them. So this is the old stack, this is the new stack. Essentially people will have to go through all of the images and provide their feedback and explain which one they prefer and why, okay? So this is what we're working with. Let's go to the next stage, which is selecting the audience, okay? So I feel like 100 people for this is plenty. In this case, both male and female, but you do have options for more advanced demographics. We're not charging anything extra for advanced demographics, super duper bonus. Take advantage of it, but it may take a little longer if you select something very, very specific. In this case, it's pretty much everybody. I don't need specific demographic, so I'm keeping everyone, all the ages, US people. I don't need any other countries here. People speaking English. That's pretty much it. So let's go down, hit next. Now this page is just the summary. Review it before you hit submit. Shows you all of the images you upload. Okay, what we're testing, check if the question makes sense, check if the audience still makes sense, boom, submit, goes live. All right, I'm expecting 30-60 minutes max, so let me pause this now, let me get back to you once the results are ready. And we're back. So what do we have here? Almost 100%. That lost person is gonna come in with a response any minute now. So what do we have? Oh, very interesting. So the old image stack is actually winning with very high statistical significance. So pretty high confidence, all right? Now, yeah, let's see the responses. Interesting. More engaging, more informative. The other one is more like a general advertisement. Oh, interesting, okay. Very cool. Let's see the summary. I'll hit analyze for me here just so I can see AI summary of all the responses. Now there's also another quick thing you can do. Essentially Pinion GPT sounds exactly what it is. You can chat with our internal GPT that will use people's responses as the reference, and you can get more insights, more specific questions answered that way as well. But yeah, this is actually very, very cool. So I'm going to share this with my team, and this is all you have to do. Just share results, copy this link, and you share it with anyone and they can see the results as well. So yeah, I think this is actually surprising to me. So we're gonna get back to the drawing board and improve the images much better. So we have the opposite result. The new image stack would be winning with such a high statistically significant result. You have the AI summary here. You can go through this, action steps that can help your graphic designer with further steps. And yeah, this is pretty much the image stack test. We compare these 2 image stacks, and the results were not what I expected, and that's exactly why we're testing. So if you found this interesting and you want to start optimizing your image stacks, comparing the old to the new, or whatnot, anything related to conversion optimization, head over to ProductPinion.com, start a free trial. There's no reason to wait to improve your conversions on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.